What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today we're talking about why prices are increasing and what you can do about it. So let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's talk about why our price is increasing and what you can do about it. All right, in today's world, prices are going up exponentially fast, the fastest we've seen in decades. All right, in the housing market, global housing prices increased 7.3% on average in the 12 months of the pandemic. Okay, this is like the fastest pace since 2006, according to Knight Frank's Global House Price Index. The top 5 countries for price growth are Turkey at number 1, number 2, New Zealand, number 3, Luxembourg, number 4, Slovakia, and 5, the U.S. Now, let's talk about shipping. The cost of moving a container from China to Dubai has ballooned to $5,000 from $1,000, just $1,000 last year, according to SCMP. Let's talk about food. A UN food price index soared around 40% in May, the largest jump in a decade. Low-income countries will suffer the worst effects of this food inflation. I love food too. All right, consumer goods. Prices across 36 mostly wealthy countries rose at their fastest pace in more than 12 years during April, okay? Economists are chalking up the eye-popping inflation to base effects, meaning these numbers only appear huge because they're being compared to last spring when prices plummeted at the onset of the pandemic. Right, so what can you do about it, right? What can you do about these prices soaring? Well, you can't do much about it from a level of keeping the prices from going up, okay? You can literally offset these price increases by making more money. There are a few ways to make more money and have a few ways you can make it right now, okay? Number 1, get a raise at your current job. See, most people can actually make more money and get more benefits if they put more effort at their current place of employment. The average employee is just there to count the hours and get a check. With a little effort, they can make way more money. Trust me, okay? Number 2, find a higher paying career or job. If you find that you're not getting anywhere at your current employer, then maybe it's time to move on to a new job. This is your best bet to getting a raise if you've been striking out at your current job. Number 3, get a second job. Worst case scenario, if all else fails, get a, wait for it, a second job. Okay, yep, I said it. But the caveat is that you don't use the second job money for anything other than investing in dividend-paying stocks, starting an e-commerce business, or something that would generate some passive income. Once the passive income starts to become a stream of income that you can rely on and depend on, then you can stop working a second job. So these are the 3 ways to help yourself and deal with the price increases. I hope you got some great insight. Hope you got some good intel, all right? So thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for why our price is increasing and what you can do about it. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.